Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to crop an image into a circle in Google Docs. If you've ever tried to give your document a creative edge, or wanted to ensure your images look sleek and professional, you've come to the right place. Whether you're working on a detailed report, crafting a creative piece, or just want to make your document visually appealing, being able to crop an image into a circle can enhance the overall look significantly. So, stick around as we dive deep into this process. Let's start by heading over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Google or Gmail account. If you're not signed in yet, now is the perfect time to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in successfully, you can either choose to open an existing document that you're working on, or you can create a brand new one if that's what you prefer. Now that you're in your document, take a look at the top menu bar. You're going to want to find the option that says Insert. When you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Drawing and then click on New. This step is crucial as it opens up a brand new drawing canvas. The drawing canvas in Google Docs is a powerful tool that allows you to carry out more detailed modifications, like cropping images into unique shapes. Once you're inside the drawing canvas, it's time to bring in the image you want to crop. Click on the image icon and you'll be presented with several options to upload your photo. For most users, the Browse option will be the most straightforward way to sift through their files. Go ahead and find the image you want to use, click on it, and then press Open. Your selected image will now appear in the drawing canvas, ready for the next step. In the toolbar of the drawing interface, you'll see an icon next to the crop section. Click on the drop-down arrow beside it, and you will notice a collection of shapes appear. For our task today, select the circle shape. Choosing this shape will crop your image into a neat circle, giving it that polished appearance you're aiming for. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. This action saves your changes and inserts the freshly cropped circular image right into your document. Now that your circular image is part of your document, you can adjust its size and position to better fit your layout. Simply click on the image and drag it to the desired location within the document. If you need to resize it, click and drag from the corners to make the circle larger or smaller, depending on your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and cropped an image into a circle within your Google Doc. This technique is not only simple, but also incredibly effective in making your documents stand out. By exploring these creative features, you can elevate the aesthetic and professional appeal of your projects, whether they're personal or for business. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to crop an image into a circle in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to crop an image into a circle in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.